Hello everyone, welcome back to our Forex Insight shows. Today's we're looking at the latest move on Euro USD and GBP USD as fresh news from the ECB and disappointing UK PMI data shake up the markets. Let's dive right in. Okay, first Euro USD. The pair snapped its winning streak on Thursday, dropping to the low of 1.107 1.1700, yeah, around. But now it's back. If you see in the chart that I shown here, that it's back to 1.1754. So it's quite bouncing. Yeah, you can see that if you can see from the chart that actually it's bouncing from the hour 20 period moving average. Okay, this came after Euro Central Bank's ECB decided to keep rates unchanged following 8 consecutive rate cuts earlier this year. So after the 8 cuts, they decided to uh, keep the rates unchanged. Okay, sources suggest that the ECB is likely to on a rate hold unless we see a clear drop in inflation and growth. Okay, tariff uncertainty between the US and the European Union remains a key factor. Okay, and traders are watching. We need to watch August 1st closely as the deadline for the next tariff decision approaches. Okay, the ECB's governing council appears divided. Hawks worry tariffs. Those who are hawks worry tariff could push inflation higher, favoring no rate cuts. Doves, meanwhile, the dovish side of the ECBs are concerned about the potential economic slowdown, hinting that a future easing if needed. Okay. Meanwhile, CFTC data shows speculators are heavily long on the euro, yeah, bullish on the euro positioning, with net position hitting 128k net, yeah, the most bullish stance since late 2023. So we can expect from this CFTC data, we can expect that USD might goes a little bit more higher. Okay. Now, let's go to the GBP/USD. Okay. Meanwhile, GBP/USD after the 3 days of gains, yeah, GBP/USD pulled back to the 1.3500 level, pressured by UK PMI data missing expectation. Okay, currently is 1.3500607. Yeah, US services PMI came in stronger. Meanwhile, we have a strong US dollar, so the pound sterling is moving lower. However, traders are eyeing UK retail sales data, yeah, which it will be happen for by today, which expected to rebound to 1.2% forecast. Yeah, the forecast is 1.2% month after month, and US durable goods order, which are forecasted minus 10.8%. So this data might push the GBP/USD back higher. But let's just see. You can see that the stochastic is moving lower. But I will show you in the bigger chart soon. Okay. So what happened in the global market? Actually, market sentiment and tariff risks. Tariff tension between the US and the EU are heating up. A potential 15% tax on EU imports to the US is on the table. We know that the US already have some decision or decision with most Asian countries, but now the EU, this is a little bit more heating up. So we will see on the 1st of August what will happen. Yeah, potential 15% tax on EU imports to the US is on the table. President Trump's visit to the Federal Reserve has also raised concern, yeah, over the Fed independence. Meanwhile, investors are now waiting uh, very different central bank narrative: the ECB cautious optimism versus the Fed's divided stance on the future cuts. Okay, so for now on, in the fundamental side, we are expecting that Euro USD and GBP USD will go higher. But well, let's see whether the technical will show the same thing with the fundamental side. Okay, so now let's go to the our simple technical. I'm using very simple technical indicators. Okay, so for those who haven't knows me that I always use the very simple technical indicator, which is the moving average, the 20 period moving average, exponential of course, and also I'm using the stochastic, yeah, 533 stochastic. So based on this data, you can see that for our chart showing that the price actually moving above the 20 EMA. So it's still showing a higher movement. Yeah, we can expect that a higher movement here. Meanwhile, the stochastic is moving lower after a series of actually this is a consolidating move. So I'm expecting that actually that the price still showing a higher lows. So I'm expecting it will still move higher. So I'm expecting actually the Euro USD still move higher and still targeting the higher levels. So my prediction for today, it might not reach my first resistance 1.1806 or 07, but I'm expecting that Euro USD might move a little bit higher. As we know, Friday is always not a strong move, but we can expect that the market will move higher. Okay. Meanwhile, for the GBP USD, you can see here the GBP USD actually already broken my 20 period moving average, but the price, the stochastic is already moving in oversold and trying to cross. I'm expecting that maybe GBPSD might move a little bit lower, yeah, for today, a little bit lower, but when the price reaching the or the data is reached, if the data according to our to the prediction, which is good for the GBP and not quite good for the durable good orders in the US, it might move eventually higher. So I'm expecting that the price might move a little bit lower here, yeah, and then it might a little bit open the stochastic, but it might eventually goes higher. Not quite a strong movement, but I'm expecting that the price might move a little bit higher and may try to reach our resistance at 1.3544 or 45. Okay, not quite reaching the second resistance, but I'm expecting it move higher. Okay, so yeah, that's it for today's analysis. See you in the next analysis video. Thank you, everyone.